Hey everyone, it's Raven Moon, and I'm here to do a book review for you guys. I just got done reading the best horror book I've ever read so far. It's kind of a teen book, but it kind of gives you some of those spots in the book, kind of gives you that little, what in the world is going on? It's kind of scary. Oh my god, you get really attached to the characters, and I cried in some spots, and it was really sad. But the first time I read the part, like the second chapter, it was like, whoa, like I felt like I was on drugs, and it was like all crazy and all that stuff. The book that I've been reading is called Lockdown by Alexander Gordon Smith. Lockdown is about a young boy who's probably in middle school who was into robbing people, breaking into houses, and everything with his best friend. And one day, while they were breaking into a house and doing a job, they were ambushed, I guess you can say. They were set up by this group of men. And they took the two boys and shot his best friend. So Alex was framed for his best friend Toby's death, and he was sent to the penitentiary called the Furnace. One of the quotes in the book says, "Underneath heaven there is hell, and underneath hell there is the furnace." So you can probably tell that it's like a really bad place to be. But where the penitentiary main core lies is in the core of the earth. So you can, it's called the furnace. It's hot, it's dark, it's musky and everything, but I hope you guys go and try to enjoy the book. I really did, and I hope you read the whole series. This is the first book of many, and they're all out, which I'm hopefully getting the second one in a couple of days, so I will then tell you after a few days how the book went. So, I love you all, and I hope you have a good night. So, night.